What does your dream life look like? Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. The power of imagination isn't just for kids. It's the spark of innovation, the birthplace of every great idea. Imagination is the starting line. Vision is the map. And today, with AI, your dreams no longer stay trapped in your head, they can be built, shared, and lived. Too many of us are stuck in the cycle of working hard to build someone else's dream. But what if your vision became your reality? What if instead of just surviving, you were thriving? AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to unlock you, to amplify your imagination and free your vision. Whether it's designing, writing, building, or creating, your imagination paired with AI is unstoppable. The life you want begins in the theater of your mind. Your future is already playing on the big screen inside you. The only question is, will you press play? Visit Debimmer ReliefNet at debimmerreliefnet.com. Just keep moving. May you be blessed with all the success your heart desires, your health, your wealth, your happiness. And if you're tired of being tied to a 9-to-5, working your socks off to turn someone else's dream into reality, it's time to choose you. Start today at dbmreliefnet.com, where vision becomes freedom. Thanks for being a loyal Debimmer ReliefNet subscriber. I appreciate hearing from you. Please let me know if you ever have any questions. Until then, keep imagining, keep moving, and keep creating your future.